Here we're working with absolute value inequalities, and we are asked to solve this absolute value inequality and then answer in interval notation. First, the key is I must isolate my absolute value. So I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. This will give me -2 times the absolute value of 2x plus 2 divided by 3 is less than or equal to -4. Again, I'm working on isolating my absolute value, so I must multiply by -1/2 or divide by -2. Key here, when I divide, I must change the direction. When I divide or multiply by a negative number, I must change the direction of the inequality. So this will give me the absolute value of 2x plus 2 divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 2. Again, when I multiply or divide by a negative number in inequalities, I must change the direction of my sign of my inequality. To solve this, I have two equations. I've isolated my absolute value on one side of the equation, so now I can solve 2x plus 2 divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 2. That's one equation. The other equation is its opposite. 2x plus 2 divided by 3 is less than or equal to -2. Multiply by 3 because I'm isolating my x. 2x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 6. Subtract 2 from both sides. 2x is greater than or equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2. X is greater than or equal to 2. That's one side of the inequality. Now I need to come solve the other side of my inequality over here. Note that both the direction and the sign have changed. Again, I multiply both sides by 3. 2x plus 2 is less than or equal to -6. Subtract 2 from both sides. 2x is less than or equal to -8. Divide by 2. X is less than or equal to -4. So now I have my two directions. If there's any confusion on this, just put a little sketch here. X is greater than or equal to 2, so if I call this 2, x is greater than or equal to, and that would be a square bracket going up for 2, from 2. That's this side over here. And x is less than or equal to -4. Well, there would be a point at -4 here. Again, it's a square bracket because -4 is included. Only this is less than, so it's going down away from 0, -4. So this is my solution on the number line. Of course, this could be a solid dot instead of a square bracket. But again, it's still increasing above 2, decreasing below -4. To write this in inequality notation, always start smallest, work to largest. So this would be from -infinity, not included. That's a curved bracket because we can never quite make it to infinity. To -4. -4 is included. It's a square bracket. And, or the union of those points greater than or equal to 2 up to positive infinity. And again, positive infinity has a curved bracket because it is not included.